English you can live in. Stream smarts. I check the plans and see the tiers. One is cheap, one adds more cheers. Channels and shows pop in a list. I compare features, can't resist. Ads are ad-free. I make my pick, family or solo, streaming quick. Bundles help me save some cash. Free trials let me test in a flash. I scroll the guide, choose what to watch, multiple screens, no need to botch. Streaming apps make life a breeze. I binge my favorites with so much ease. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.